Hello guys, welcome to my video about capacitors and how they work. So today we are going to find out how exactly does a capacitor work and how I made my very own homemade high voltage DC capacitor. So how do capacitors work? It's very simple. A capacitor consists of two plates separated by an insulating material. When a voltage is applied to a capacitor, some electrons are going to accumulate on one positive plate and positive charges will be accumulating on the other. Now how does this work? We know that electrons are subatomic particles and orbit atoms. So two electrons will repel, since you know that like charges repel. So thus the electrons on this surface will be repelled and this will get a positive charge and this surface will get a negative charge. But the charges do not go next to each other and do not mix up and get neutralized because there is an insulator. Usually it is plastic or it is also can be the air. So that is how a capacitor works. Some capacitors are polarized, that is, you can only use them in one direction. It's like saying that a capacitor has an inbuilt diode. And if you exceed the voltage or if you reverse the voltage or polarity, then the capacitor will actually explode. So, how did I make my capacitor? It's very simple. For a capacitor, all you need is two plates. Usually they are metal and an air gap or an insulator. The insulator can be air or it can be what I have used over there, plastic. So it is very simple. You take foil strips and you stick them on plastic on either end. And then you connect two wires. And then you can roll the whole thing. This is just a cross section. In reality it will look something like this, with one wire on one side, the foil is there, the plastic, and on the other side the wire will be taped to the other side. So once you roll it, it should look like this. You can tape it up and you can charge this capacitor, and when you discharge it, you should hopefully get a spark. We want that there should not be any moisture or humidity to make your capacitor work better. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.